So I removed the radiator, which sat here. This hose on the top, this hose on the bottom. There's a hose that goes up to here that I took off the top of the radiator because last time that little nipple, that little nipple, the hose goes to, gets brittle and will just snap off. So, to get access to basically here on this side, let's see if I've got a better view. Probably not. I've got this thing loose enough, not attached to anything. And then, okay, so I'll remove this plastic drainage coolant tee, clean all this mess up. I think what I'm going to do is try to remove these. I'm going to anti-seize WD-40 lubricant on those like I did these earlier to make sure they come out as easy as can. Wish me luck.